Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video I am doing pick a card reading. Okay, so this is one set of card, this is number 2 and this is number 3. Okay, so we have 3 sets of cards over here. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. So this reading is regarding what's going on in the mind of the person you are thinking about while seeing this video. Okay, it's like that. So what's going on in their mind right now? Okay, whosoever the person you want to focus on, you can just think about them and then just see which pile resonates with you and which pile you feel most drawn to. Okay, and then you can just see what is the reading. Okay, so this is pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So we'll start with pile 1. Okay, so pile 1. Ooh, we have the Hierophant, the World and the Fool. So these are 3 major arcanas out here. So there is definitely something which is very significant going on in their mind or in their life right now. So this person is ready to make new beginnings. This person is wanting something stable, committed, long term. This person is not looking for any nonsense, any flirty relationships or any short term relationships. If that is what is if it is about relationships which you want to hear for. Otherwise, this is the person who is actually wanting something long term, something stable. Okay, they are ready to end if there is anything short term. Okay, whatever is short term, whatever they feel is not right for them, this person is ready to leave those things and move ahead for a new beginning. So here overall this is a major change in the life of this person. Maybe this person is stepping up to the relationship, maybe this person wants to step up, maybe this person, if you are just friends, you want to commit, if you are committed then you want to take a step forward towards some engagement or some ceremonial thing or marriage. So whatever it is, this is a major decision which your person is ready to take right now, or they want to take right now, in due to the fact that they really want something stable in their life. They are at a stage when they really don't want anything frivolous. They do not want anything short term. As I said, this person is looking for long-term and mature relationships. It's something like that, and they are ready to take the risk for that. This person is ready to take the leap for that, because this person is very clear that this is what they want. They really don't have any other thing in their mind. They want stability, and for that stability they are ready to take the risk. They're ready to take the leap of faith forward. They're ready to move ahead in life. So it is a very beautiful energy as far as these 3 cards are concerned. Okay, it's like tying up, putting an end to, okay, this phase of life is over, I've completed this, I've achieved this, okay, now let's move to the next, let's move forward. It's something like that. It is a very positive energy. It is a very beautiful energy. Okay, I'll be pulling out the clarifiers for each set, and the link that will be on Patreon. The link for that will be given in the description box below. Okay, so if any set resonates with you and you want to have additional information about it, you can click the link and join me on Patreon. So this is about people of who chose pile 1. Okay, so pile 2, we have the Queen of Cups, the Empress, the 3 of Wands, okay, and 4 King of Swords. So while I was shuffling the cards, I didn't know that I was taking out 3 cards, but if 4 have come in this reading by chance, so it's okay, we'll read them. So this person is ready to move ahead in life. This person is wanting a new beginning in their life. Okay, this person is maybe turning their back to you if that is a relationship, or they're turning their back to whatever they have done till now. They are ready to take the leap of faith. They are ready to move forward where their passion takes them. Okay, so this person is definitely turning the back to whatever they have achieved till now. Okay, if it was a relationship, that is what you're looking for, this person is really moving on and they want a new beginning which is going to give them a lot of abundance, a lot of happiness, and that is what they're looking for. They are wanting a new beginning in their life. They want abundance in their life. They want creativity in their life. So this person is looking for something more cherished and more powerful. Perhaps they are not satisfied and happy with what they have right now. So whatever they have right now, they are just leaving it behind. They're waiting for the right person, perhaps right opportunity or the right time to make the move. But definitely this person has already decided that they have to make a move. So this is not an undecided person. This person has already taken a decision that they really need to move ahead. Okay, and with the Queen of Cups and the King of Swords, definitely this person has a lot of emotions. If that is the relationship aspect, this person do have a lot of emotions, and but they are guarding their emotions. They may be very straightforward, very sort of maybe very blunt or rude types of, but they're guarding their happiness. They know that this is what they want. They are very happy, clear about it. They really don't want anybody to mess it up, and they know what they want. They know where to invest their emotions. So they are an emotional person, and they really want a correct place to open up, sort of. This person is now letting go of anything or anyone in whom they have invested wrongly. It's coming off like that. So now this person has taken a decision. No, now I'll make a move. I will invest my energy, my emotions in the right place. Okay, so this person is definitely ready to leave whatever it was, and wanting to invest their energy and their emotions in the right person or the right situation or the right place, whatever it is. But definitely this person is really decided, and they will not let anything or anyone mess it up. Again, I'm saying we'll be clarifying all these cards, and the extended will be given in Patreon. The link will be in the description box below. Okay, so now let's read pile 3. So in pile 3 we have the Sun, the Two of Wands and the Moon. Okay, so this person is a person who is wanting to take a decision. This person has not yet taken a decision. This person maybe has two options. Maybe they are indecisive, but yes, they are ready to make a move. They know that, okay, now I am ready to make a move. I have money, I have influence, I have the feelings, I have everything what I need. But where do I go now? Which path should I pick up? Which choice should I make? If it is a career or a job, then which side is better? What will be better for me? That sort of an energy is there. So this person is ready, but is still thinking, is waiting and just trying to decide. This person is not yet decided, because with the Moon, this person really don't know. This person doesn't know as to which path to follow. There is lack of clarity. This person really don't know which way to move forward. But one thing is clear to this person, that they want happiness. So this person is in search of their happiness. This person is ready to do anything to move to the right path. Even now, though even right now this person's mindset is a little bit unclear. They really don't know how to progress. Maybe even if they know the first step, perhaps they don't know what the route will be and how it will be moving forward and how to move forward, sort of. So things are not very clear to this person right now. If it is a relationship, then yes, same thing goes for the relationship also, that this person doesn't know as to how to proceed further in the relationship. This person doesn't know. Maybe this person is in a situation they really don't know, should I commit, shouldn't I commit, is this the right person, is this not the right person. So there is some sort of unclarity over here. But yes, this person definitely is wanting happiness, and that is what is their prime goal over here. Okay, so this is what they want. So this is what is going on in their mind. So this person wants happiness. If you feel this reading resonates with you, if you really feel that this is the situation which is going on in your life with the person you are thinking about, whosoever this person is, maybe non-romantic, maybe romantic. Okay, so if you really want to have a look at what's actually going on and what else these cards have to convey, then do join me on Patreon. Do click the link in the description box below and proceed. Thank you.